Hello, Oria addicts. We have a Wednesday edition of Sail Oria, and we're looking at Oria over there in her anchorage, tucked into a safe corner, and we'll show you what we're doing today. We got the tow rails, and I'm sanding them down, and they're actually beautiful. The teak's beautiful, but what I'm doing here is, if you can see this, there's a ridge. Let's see if I can get a better angle on that. Yeah, here we go. Okay, there's a ridge here, and I'm sanding that ridge down so there's no ridge. But anyway, and then the holes will be plugged with teak bungs, epoxied in, sanded, and then we're gonna put lots of coats of varnish on it. Anyway, there we have it.